Hi girls, hi guys, we are in a new video from Seku factory. Here we have a lot of hairs ready to make the system. Then you can see the workers. And today I speak of a new base, a new total hair system. We call it Love, and you can meet it in newleseku.com. This system has a very natural part effect with wax knots what air, very natural. Now I let you see the base inside. Its system does not need tapes or glue and is very light. We have a big side in lace, then NPU in frontal, where if you want can also add tapes, but it's no need. Here two cider bands, very good if you have alopecia areata universale, and in back elastic base. This is small, you can have also medium or large, and here you can make it more little or bigger. This system is very good cause assure transpiration, natural part. It's very light and it does not need tapes or glue. It's a very good option if you have alopecia or if you are in chemotherapy, and the hairs are very nice. We can send it in immediate shipment from factory to your house because we have in stock in our shop online newleseku.com. In this case it's India Remi hairs, but I let you see we can also make it in European hairs. I let you see the difference. You can see India Remi hairs is very nice, but see the difference in the light, in the texture of European hairs. If you want custom, we can make it in approx 2 months. If you want stock, immediate shipment from factory to your house. If you have doubts or questions, you can contact our WhatsApp or our emails. I let them in the description of video. I hope you liked this video and we see you next video. Bye bye.